At Maritime Pride Eggs, we're proud of our employees and our state-of-the-art plant located in Amherst, Nova Scotia. But the real pride in our name is our local farmers who provide local eggs to your Maritime market. Farmers like Bayview Poultry Farms in Masstown, Nova Scotia. The Jennings family has created the first Echo egg 100% produced by wind power. Follow our farmers and our company on Facebook and Twitter at Pride Eggs, and look for the Maritime Pride brand at your local retailer.